have TV at all in home? If you don't have TV at home, how can you watch my lectures? طيب, you should have a TV at home to watch the lectures. طيب, I'm joking. طيب, having the TV at home or the other things, TV by itself is not haram. TV by itself is not haram. The issue is you as a father, you as a mother, you as a boss at home or at work, you have to make sure that there are benefits for the things. For example, I have the TV. Okay, now you have the TV for how many years? Let's say for 2 years. And I have 3-4 kids. Okay, so what do you realize? What do you notice? Do you notice that we are getting benefits from the TV and it is not harmful? Or most of the time the children watching haram things or watching something to waste their time? Depends. If you cannot control, maybe I can tell you, don't put the TV. But if you say, wallah, it is under control and they cannot see the TV without my permission, and I should be with them and I choose for them what they should see, then it's okay. The point is, where is the maslahah? Where is the benefit? Okay, you have to balance. What is the Islamic ruling?